Immune 6. This has your vitamin D, selenium, some vitamin C, some other ingredients that helps with build our immune system. I recommend 2 a day just for routine health. If you're getting sick and you're fighting the sick, triple down on it. Take 2-3 times a day to help build up your immune system so that we can be as healthy as we can be. And then I love that they brought out this product, this little skin defense. This is my liquid gold, I call it. This is my go-to hands cleanser every day in the office as I fight the war against this virus, which I am fighting. I'm on the front line. It takes away the bacteria, the fungal, the viral, all right, which I really worry about right now. And I don't want to put alcohol on my hands all day long. It starts to dry my hands out. And I don't have time to soap and water every other patient that I see. This gives me the quick thing that I need. Spray my face if I accidentally touch my face, spray my cell phone, spray my computer keys, because we know we're all trying to keep that virus at bay. So Skin Defense, phenomenal product. You can use it anytime, anywhere, any place, on any body. Just put it on your skin. Don't put it in your body. We have silver for that, and silver, liquid silver, is an element that we use in antibiotics to make them more powerful. We use them in a lot of cloths now to make them disinfectant. And we use them now in pure liquid silver. You can put in your body throughout the day, spray off and on, especially if you're feeling sick, to help reduce infection properties that we might have. You can also put silver on your skin. These are the products that we have to start thinking about in this war of all wars. So I love to talk about all the products. We've got some other things that will focus using almost all these products to help people on their well-being of whole health, including if you're struggling with weight, if you're struggling with your skin health, you know, again, all the targets that we need for whole health.